My name is Lauren Pollard. I'm in my third semester in nursing school and I work at Mellow Mushroom. I was worried about having it all on my plate at once, like having to go to class and then having to go to work and then all the homework and stuff. I was worried about not having enough time for school and like my grades declining. I wasn't able to go to the games because I had to work on game days, and sometimes I wasn't able to like go out with friends and stuff because I had to work at night, but other than that, not too much. I was kind of so busy that I didn't have time to waste while when I had free time. I just had to study because my schedule was so strict that I didn't have any time to waste. I was working about 25 hours a week, and my class schedule, I had class 3 days a week from 9 to 3 and clinical day at the hospital from 11 to 3 p.m. It makes you grow up and mature more, and you definitely have to make sacrifices with your social life and stuff, but it actually improved my studies and I actually made the dean's list that semester. I definitely think it's worth a try. I mean, the benefits definitely outweigh the negatives. I made a lot of friends through it, and you definitely have to make sacrifices, but in the end I think it's worth it. I definitely think anyone can do it. You just have to know time management and when to study and stuff like that.